Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Google Docs dark mode easily. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Google Docs currently doesn't come with any built-in dark mode, so by default, you only get the standard light mode. There isn't an official toggle for dark mode, but there are a couple of different things we can do if you prefer working with a dark background and light text. The first way is by using the manual method directly inside Google Docs. Go to the top menu and click on File, then select Page Setup. In the Page Setup options, you'll see a section called Page Color. Here, you can change the background of the page to any color you like. If you want true dark mode, choose black. Once you press OK, your document background will turn dark. Now, simply highlight your text and change the font color to white. From there, as you type, you'll have white text on a black background. This gives you a simple dark mode feel inside Google Docs without needing anything extra. That's one option, but there's another way that's a lot smoother. You can use a Chrome extension. Just search Google Docs Dark Mode Chrome extension, and you'll find it in the Chrome Web Store. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Within seconds, it will be installed, and you'll see it appear in the Extensions menu at the top right of Chrome under the puzzle piece icon. If it's not pinned already, click the Pin button so the extension icon is visible in your toolbar. Once the dark mode extension is active, you need to reload Google Docs. Your document will instantly switch to dark mode. Now simply hover over this moon icon and select Google Docs, and the entire interface will adapt with a dark background and light text. This gives you a full dark mode experience, not just the page color change. For most people, this is the best and easiest solution. And that's it. So that is how you get Google Docs dark mode easily. So that's all for this video. Thanks.